Rocky Smoky, wow, look at this, whoa. Anyways, watch video until the end and be aware this video contains affiliate links in description for this video, which means a commission may be earned. Let it work, let it work. This wonderful Q20 lint remover is removing lint like nobody business, haha. Watch it work. It's a product I highly recommend, and if you want to stay for the comfort you can stay and watch this video until its entirety, but just to keep it short, I recommend this lint remover. Link in description. Zoom in if needed. Once more, thanks for watching.